Hi, I'm Martin von der Heijden and this is Project Management Essential Tools and Techniques. I've worked 15 years in project and product management roles and I want to share some knowledge on essential project management processes, tools and techniques. This course is aligned with standard project management methodologies and covers all project management phases from defining, planning, executing to closing a project. We will begin to take a closer look at project management approaches covering PMI, Prince2, Agile, Systems-Driven Lifecycle and Six Sigma among others. I will then explain why we need a project chart and a business case when initiating a project and how to put it together. Then I'll take you through the planning phase covering requirements gathering and planning, schedule, cost and communications. Next we discuss project execution covering progress reporting, managing stakeholders, managing risk and issues, schedule management, cost and quality management. Finally, I provide you tips for properly closing a project. After this course, you will be able to obtain a certificate of completion, which you can mention in your resume or claim PDU towards a project management certification. Having proper project management tools in your toolbox is critical to run a successful project. I introduce you to these tools and how to use them effectively in project management essential tools and techniques.